You have to find out the correct fraction for the given shapes. Fine. Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, first shape is a square. Now tell me this square is divided into how many parts?
4.
4 parts. Very good. Now, out of these 4 parts, how many are shaded?
3.
Yes. Children, this first shape, that is a square, it is divided into 4 parts, and out of these 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. Now, Mana, tell me what will be the correct answer. What will be the fraction for the shaded part? 1/3 or 3/4?
1/3.
Is it 1/3? This shape is divided into how many parts, Mana?
4.
4. So whenever we are talking about the fraction, we always write the total number of parts below the line. Okay, so in the first option below the line, number is 3. But according to the given shape, it should be 4 because our first shape is divided into 4 parts. So is first option correct, Mana?
No, ma'am.
Then what will be the answer?
1/4.
Read the first 2 options.
1/3. The 3. 3/4.
Yes, answer will be 3/4 or you can say 3/4. Yes, children, so circle the second option, that is 3/4. 3/4 is the correct answer because the first shape is divided into 4 parts. So total parts we are writing always below the line. And out of these 4, only 3 are shaded. So we will write 3 above the line. So fraction will be 3/4. This you have to write in your math notebook. Okay. Fine. Ayansh Gupta. Ayansh Gupta, are you there? Bhavashrit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now look at the second shape, Bhavashrit, and tell me this shape is divided into how many parts?
Into 4 parts.
Okay, now second shape is a rectangle and this rectangle is divided into 4 parts. Now out of these 4 parts, how many are shaded?
2.
Yes, yes children, out of these 4 parts, only 2 are shaded. Now tell me Bhavashrit, what will be the fraction for this?
4/2.
Is it 4/2?
2/4.
Okay, so correct answer will be 2/4. Yes, that's the right answer. Yes, children, your first option is correct in second bit, that is 2/4. As I told you, we are always writing total number of parts below the line. So the second shape, that is a rectangle, it is divided into 4 parts. So we will write that below the line. And out of these 4, only 2 are shaded. So we will write that above the line. So our correct answer is 2/4. Okay. Yes, Ayansh? Ayansh Gupta. Ayansh, I can see you, but I cannot hear anything. You are not audible. Ayansh, you are not audible. Log out and log in again because I can see you, but I cannot hear anything. You're not audible. Okay, fine. So we'll move to next option. Sorry, next question. Okay, Ayansh. Now third question. Suryansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next shape. What is that shape?
Which shape, ma'am?
Huh?
Which shape?
I'm talking about the third shape. What is that? Third question, third shape.
Triangle.
Yes, it's a triangle. Now tell me, the triangle is divided into how many parts?
1, 2, 3.
3 parts. Okay, now out of these 3 parts, how many are shaded?
2.
2. Okay. So read out the options first. 2 options are there. Tell me what are those 2 options?
2 by 3.
2 by 3, and what is the next option?
1 by 3.
Yes, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now tell me what will be the correct answer. What will be the fraction for the shaded part?
2 by 3.
Yes, 2 by 3 is the correct answer, as this triangle is divided into 3 parts, and out of 3 parts only 2 are shaded. So the fraction will be 2 by 3. That is the correct answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Is there anyone who has any doubt in this? Anyone? No one? Okay, fine. I'll clear this now. Okay, children, take out new page. Write date and classwork there. Okay. Now, what you have to do is, yes, children, it's written here color 1 by 2 means color half. Okay, color 1 by 2 means, first of all, you will note down that question. You will write color. Below that color, you will write 1 by 2. Then beside that, you will draw these first 3 shapes. Okay. Then you will note down the next fraction, that is 1 by 4. And then beside that fraction, you will draw these 3 shapes, next 3 shapes. Okay. Then you will write next fraction, that is 2 by 3. Then you will draw next 3 shapes beside that fraction. And similarly, you will do the last one. First of all, note down the questions. And please draw shapes properly and divide it with the help of a scale. You should divide the shape properly. And then according to the given instruction, you will be coloring it. Like in the first one, it is color 1 by 2, that is color half. So you will divide the shape into 2 parts according to the question, and then you will be coloring only half part of it. Fine? Okay, children, I'll give you 4 minutes. You can note down all these questions. Yes, Ketan?
Ma'am, page number.
Ketan, this is not in your book. This you have to do in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Transfer.
Swarnika? Not there. Sai Ritvik, unmute yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sai Ritvik, please read the first fraction. What is that?
Square.
Fraction I'm talking about. What is the fraction?
1 by 2.
Yes, this is 1
Yes,
by
1 by 2.
Yeah, this is 1 by 2. So out of these 2 parts, how many we will color?
Yes, ma'am.
Swarnika, just wait.
2. Only one.
Ritvik, we always look at the number which is above the line. So above the line, what is the number?
1.
Yes. So out of 2 parts, we will color only.
See there, rental.
Yes, I did. Out of 2 parts, we will color only. How many parts?
1.
Yes. So we will color
One
only
part.
one part. So children, you can use any color crayon. It's up to you. I'm using your red color crayon. But nobody, sorry, I'm using a red color, not crayon. And nobody will use sketch pens. Swarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Swarnika, next shape is divided into how many parts? Swarnika, that heart shape is divided into how many parts?
2 parts.
2 parts. So, and out of 2, how many you will color according to the given fraction?
1.
Yes, so we will color only one part of this heart. Good. Yes, children, so color any one part of this heart. This heart is divided into 2 parts and fraction is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means out of 2, you will color only 1. That is only one part of it. Okay, fine. Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arhan, what is the next shape after heart?
Triangle.
Triangle. And this triangle is divided into how many parts?
2.
And out of 2, according to the question, how many parts we should color?
1.
Yes, very good. So we will color. Yeah, that's correct, Arhan. So yes, children, you will color only one part of it. I repeat, nobody will use sketch pens. Yes, Mana?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to color same color all our wish.
You can use any color. It's your wish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Mana. Okay. Hayati? Hayati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hayati. Now read the next fraction.
1 by 4.
Yes, it's 1 by 4. Now the shape is circle, right? Circle. Now this circle is divided into how many parts, Hayati?
1 part.
Circle is divided into how many parts? One part.
4 parts.
Yes, 4 parts. And out of 4, how many we should color?
1 part.
Very good. Yes, children. So out of these 4 parts, you will color only 1. Because the given fraction is 1 by 4. This means out of 4, you will color only one part of it. Okay, that's correct. Veda? Veda, am I audible to you? Veda, you need to unmute yourself. Yes, Veda? I think there is some network issue. Okay. Tarini?
Yes.
Yes, now next shape. It's a
Next
square.
shape.
Yeah, it's a square. Now tell me out of 4 parts, how many we will color?
We'll color 1. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Yes, Veda.
Now, then it will be 1 by 4.
Yes, fraction is 1/4. So out of 4, we will color only one part of it. Veda, am I audible to you? Veda, you need to unmute yourself. Yes, Veda. Veda, there is some network issue from your side because voice is not clear. Okay.
Ma'am, your signal is not there.